Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I know I share a lot of like startup companies and different things because I'm always looking for things that are different to share with you. But today I have mainly well known big companies because I know sometimes it can be a little scary to work for a company that doesn't have a long track record. So we have companies like GoodYear, Netflix, Amazon, and even CashApp is hiring somebody to review transactions, and they are paying fairly well too, up to like I think $45 an hour. So of course, we're going to dive all in. Links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. But first up, I have a part time job to share with you just because I know a lot of you are looking for part time work. The company iRhythm Technologies is hiring. They have 325 reviews from past and current employees. They do have a little bit lower employee satisfaction rating, though, at 2.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part time customer care advocate. Now, this is remote for the United States. Everything I'm sharing is for the United States only. So iRhythm provides like cardiac health solutions, and they're looking for somebody to basically provide customer care by troubleshooting customer patient issues relating to their product services and patient enrollment into any programs and services that they have. So you're going to be talking on the phone with this one, providing both verbal and written information to the customers about their accounts. They're looking for somebody who can do this while maintaining a positive attitude, and you're going to manage emails or tickets in a timely fashion as well. So you're answering the phones and answering those emails. So you've got to be a multitasker. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who is experienced in a fast paced environment, somebody who has at least 2 years of like customer service experience. They prefer somebody that does have experience in like the healthcare field. Not required though, as long as you're proficient with those Microsoft Office systems, you can kind of be flexible, be adaptable to change. And of course, you're inputting information into the computer system, so you've got to type at least 40 words per minute. But pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. This job pays anywhere from $20.19 an hour up to $25 an hour. And again, they are looking for somebody to work part time, 20 hours a week. So they're looking for somebody who can be flexible in the shifts that you work. Now, everything else in this video is going to be huge, well known companies, and we have a well known tire company, GoodYear, hiring. They have 3,000 reviews from past and current employees, that overall employee satisfaction rating at 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are also looking for a customer support specialist. This is going to be a full time position, and it does say it's remote and open to candidates across the entire United States, so they have no state restrictions. So Goodyear has different kind of businesses. They have the regular end user customer, and then they have fleet customers that own lots of stuff like maybe trucking companies, things like that. And then they have, like your wholesale customers that are selling their tires and products for them. This is specifically dealing with their fleet customer support. So you are helping with the contractual obligations and service level agreements for those fleet customers. So you're kind of interacting with them, making sure that the customer is satisfied through direct communication, training, and problem solving, problem resolution. So you are working with Goodyear's national accounts, dealers, and sales associates, just answering any questions, being that customer support, providing administrative support as well. So you might provide data, reports, other information other than just answering their questions. You're gathering, analyzing all this report data that meets specific needs of the fleet. So, just basically customer service and administrative work. Now, while they prefer a bachelor degree, it's not required. Just a high school diploma or GED and somebody who has 3 years experience in customer support. They do want somebody who's experienced like in a professional office, somebody who can multitask and be a problem solver. And sadly, Goodyear did not list pay. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, next up, we have Netflix hiring, and Netflix probably needs no introduction. They have 3,300 reviews from past and current employees. That overall employee satisfaction rating pretty high at 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a technology experience specialist. This is remote for the United States. So this is going to be like a tech support, customer support role, but you're the support for Netflix internal employees. So this is not users of Netflix or subscribers of Netflix. These are people who actually work for Netflix and they are having tech issues with the systems that they're trying to use. So you're working kind of with the business leaders or different internal teams like production, finance, production management, marketing, business legal, content, engineering, all of their different vendors that are trying to work with the internal Netflix systems. You are the tech support for that, serving as the primary point of contact for those users seeking a technical assistant. So you're going to be responsible for learning how these users experience technology through investigation, documentation, and categorization of interactions between you and them. You're going to manage technical issues, triage, research any bugs in the system, and kind of be a part of the incident and outage management workflows. You're recognizing and connecting patterns with how users experience technology across a third party technology, composing bug reports. You're recommending experience improvements, making feature requests, and bringing attention to any opportunities to create self service solutions. So you're really just actively participating in helping design and improve how users experience technology and support at or working with Netflix. They are looking for somebody who can kind of be flexible sometimes in the hours that you work to meet business needs. But other than that, they're just looking for somebody who can think critically, be a problem solver, kind of troubleshoot, research, and diagnose complicated issues. Somebody who has great communication skills, great listening skills. If you have experience in like the production industry, that's a plus, not required though. They do want somebody who's kind of worked with vendors before, kind of built relationships. So you have a prior existing relationships with different vendors. Somebody who is fluent in English, but of course, no college degree is needed for this one. And Netflix pays $100,000 a year on the low end, up to $700,000 a year. Now, $100,000 a year would be about $48 an hour. So I was sent this pancake batter dispenser by the company to review for you, and it has absolutely exceeded my expectations. First off, this thing is large enough to hold quite a bit of batter, which is great if you're making a lot of pancakes for a family, or if you're like me and you do 24 cupcakes at a time. Now, the handle is very smooth and responsive. As soon as you let go, the pour hole closes, making this absolutely mess-free. And it also has a lid that snaps tightly on the top as well. This is going to help you get perfect size pancakes every time with no mess. Or my favorite way to use it is filling up the cupcake or muffin pan. I don't know about you, but I used to drip mix all over my pan in between the cups, which did nothing but burn on my pan in the oven. And that is no more. This is truly mess free, and yay for also being dishwasher safe. You just pop the lid off and throw it in. I highly recommend. Now, next up, we have Cash App hiring. Now, Cash App is owned by a bigger company called Block. Block owns like Square, Cash App, a bunch of different financial services. They're looking for somebody to review transactions. They have 1,800 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. And of course, Cash App or Block Cash App is looking for somebody to be a disputes agent. Now, this is remote for the United States. They don't say that they have any state restrictions. But you're basically working with customers as to assist them through any risk experiences that they have using Cash App. So you're going to educate customers on risk issues and actions centered around Cash App transactions. Your focus is going to be on those high risk transactions, though. So you're kind of making sure, reviewing and watching and researching all of these transactions that are happening with Cash App customers, kind of checking them and making sure no fraudulent activity happens, that the transactions that are going through are legit and authorized by the correct parties. So if you have customers that are worried about their account, or you have customers where their account is flagged, you're kind of working with them for any risk related issues. You're helping onboard customers, review their accounts, review fraudulent or high risk activity, account takeovers. If a customer has somebody who has hacked in an account takeover, and any disputes from the customers with transactions saying they didn't make them, you're researching all of that information. And of course, you're gathering any accuracy of information or documentation that is provided by the customer and double checking that to make sure it is correct. You're investigating dispute claims, making sure that they fall within the regulatory guidelines. So you need to kind of understand charge offs and how they happen, but you're basically just investigating fraud notifications and fraudulent transactions. Now, no college degree is needed for this either. They just want somebody who has experience in some kind of financial service or banking industry. So, if you've ever been like a bank teller or worked with financial transactions before, somebody who can adapt quickly, have great attention to detail, great time management skills, and someone who has a passion for engaging with customers, kind of being that advocate and voice of the customer. Now, Cash App pays very well. Of course, they're paying by location in the United States, so they have a resource linked that shows what zone, what states are in, but pays anywhere from $22.74 an hour up to $45.48 an hour. And of course, we have Amazon hiring. Now, Amazon has been moving more into the healthcare space here lately by offering like telehealth services, pharmacy services, different things like that. Amazon has 231,000 reviews, a rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a healthcare enrollment coordinator for their Amazon RCM. And over here on the side, you can see it's virtual work from home for the United States. But they're basically looking for somebody to work within their healthcare division that they're building up, being responsible for the enrollment process with health insurance plans with a focus on electronic remittance advice and the electronic funds transfers, enrollment, and maintenance. So, what happens in healthcare is when you see patients, you can't just automatically bill their insurance that they bring in and they have. You have to be pre approved and pre enrolled for that insurance company before you can ever bill them. So, this means getting that enrollment paperwork in. And when you enroll with an insurance company, you have to agree to their basically terms of service, like we all do with anything that we enroll in or apps we use these days. Insurance companies are no different. Some of them will require you to get like ETF direct deposit, basically, of the payments to your bank company bank account, or some of them let you choose if you want a check mailed or direct deposit. And so those EFT electronic funds enrollment paperwork has to be done. Basically, you have to provide all the bank account information, all the tax information, and enroll the companies and company bank account into basically direct deposit with an insurance company before you can bill them and then get paid for the patients that you're seeing from their insurance. So they're looking for somebody to basically make sure that all this paperwork is taken care of with all the insurance companies. So you're monitoring the enrollment status, following up on any pending applications that's been submitted, verifying the doctor and provider information, making sure it's accurate across all platforms. You're just doing a lot of paperwork, maintaining all of these detailed records. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who has 2 years of experience in healthcare. Specifically, they want somebody who's done revenue cycle before. Revenue cycle can be anything from healthcare billing, like healthcare payment posting, enrollment, credentialing, all of those things kind of fall under the revenue cycle realm. You do have to have experience with using like word processing programs and Excel spreadsheets. So either like Microsoft Office or the Google Suite, Google equivalent. Now they prefer somebody who is driven to ask questions and find solutions, and somebody who has strong attention to detail. Pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. It's going to heavily depend on your location, but goes anywhere from $42,000 a year up to $79,800 a year. So that would be about in the $20 an hour to $37 an hour range. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.